A very good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to talk about a research and training program at CSIR IIM Labs. It is situated at Jammu and Srinagar. The IIM means the Indian Institute of Integrative Medicines. As we see the name Integrative Medicine, so we can understand here that the pharma work or the work related to pharmaceuticals are also performed there. So this is a paid type of research program. I also want to tell you, and in this the UG students can apply. The students who are doing their 4 years professional degree, just like pharma, BTech, or in a particular subject related to life science, or PG students. So the training program is in these four or five, I think. The first is about the natural products and medicinal chemistry. In this, the students of chemistry or the 4 year professional degree holders, or they are doing it, so they can apply for training in the medicinal chemistry or natural products, pharmacognosy type. So if they are having interest in the natural products medicinal chemistry, so they get hands-on experience on various instruments. Someone is interested in pharmacology, he will get the animal handling, the different HPLCs. Even they are mentioned on in which you want to get training. And also one more thing, someone says the training program they can attend for 1 month, they will charge only for 1 month. If you are attending the training program for 2 months, they will charge for then 2 month 3 month, and the maximum time period is can up to 6 months. So if you are thinking it is a quite lengthy type of training, so this is not only 1 month training, and you will get so much experience, and that is going to help you in when you are going to appear in industry, you are taking admission in PG, doing your research work in postgraduate, in PhD, or in any other type of industry you are doing. Quality control and instrumentation. I hope you have seen a lot of jobs about the QC department or QA department. So these type of things is going to help you. Infectious disease, fermentation, related to microbiology, biotechnology, plant sciences, agriculture, and pharmacology is an another scope for this type of trade. So the fee, first are going to see the training program period is total depends on the candidate for how much time he or she want to learn. Details: the candidates need to submit 5,900 per month of training 1 month. If you are doing 1 month training, you have to submit 5,900. If you are going to 2 month, then multiply this with 2. If you are going to 3 month, 4 month, 5 month, and 6 month, the maximum amount is for you is 35,400 if you are doing for 6 months. Most probably, I think for pharma students, 1 month training is quite sufficient, because if you are an UG and PG holder, you know what kind of things you want to learn, what kind of instrument you want to learn. If you want to learn all these things, then you have to go for the long time of the 6 month of training. But I think 1 or 2 month training is quite sufficient for you, because I know there is a 75% attendance issue in the colleges. So I think 1 month training is enough for you. The last date of registration is 30th of November till 5 p.m. The shortlisted candidate list is uploaded on the their website, CSIR IIM website, is 5th of December. And you can choose in which area you want to get training. This is completely first basis, first come first selection basis, as we know. Now just we go to the form, especially first. So this is the form CSRIM announced the poster, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 6 month, and 1 month training. This is all I discussed. This is the form you have to fill. The link is given in this. I will copy it in my description. Training: full name, father name, husband name, gender, the theme you want to take, the natural product, quality control, infectious disease, fermentation, and microbiology, microbial biotechnology, plant science and agriculture, and pharmacology. So you have to choose one. UG in UG percentage, whether you are अगर आप पढ़ रहे हैं, if you are completed or studying university, college, post graduation, PG percentage, or if you are pursuing PhD, pursuing current status, domicile, and after that in which university you are completing. So category: physically disabled or not, date of birth, education qualification, your identification ID, then address, and these are the some other certificates or things. One more thing I want to tell you that if you don't know that in which sector you need to apply the natural product, quality control, and instrumentation, so you can go to the site and directly search. For example, if I do this for you, so in this way you will get the natural products and the medicine chemistry, the quality management and instrumental division, and infectious disease pharmacology division, fermentation and microwave. For example, let me click the quality management and instrumentation. So this is all about where what you can do. There is an LCMS, NMR, GCMS, HPLC, SAM, TAN, confocal microscopy. In completely 1 month training, you will learn all. And there are also some scope of this type of training. In agriculture, I use products, cosmetic and essential, animal foods and food nutraceutical. All these instruments you will get learned in just 1 month. And even the data interpretation, that is much more important in this case. I think they are also going to teach you that thing. So I think this is enough for this. You can choose any type of training program from this. So thank you so much and all the best.